I'm combining two of my favourite Christmas flavours in one delicious dish. Merry Christmas and welcome to the channel. What could be more Christmassy than mince pies? Another of my favourite flavours, marzipan. And for me, these two conjure up the flavour of the festive season. And with this tart, there's enough to feed the whole family.
This one's dead easy. Just 3 shop-bought ingredients: mincemeat, marzipan and ready roll pastry. You'll need a loose bottom baking tray measuring 30 by 20 centimetres and 3 centimetres deep. First, grease the tray with butter. Unroll the pastry. As a single sheet is not large enough for my tray, I'm using 2 sheets of pastry. Lay the pastry over half of the tray. Press well into the edges and trim off the excess. Brush the edge to be joined with milk. Lay over the second sheet of pastry. Press well into the edges and trim off the excess. Smooth the join with a small palette knife. Now, with a fork, prick the base all over. Take 200 grams of marzipan and coarsely grate. It's a good job I've got another jar of mincemeat, because there ain't enough here to cover the base of the tray. Spread it out right to the last corner. Now sprinkle with the grated marzipan, followed by a layer of mincemeat. Smooth it over to make an even topping. You'll need about 800 grams of good quality mincemeat. Possibly more, depends on how you load the tart. I've really loaded this one, maybe overloaded it.
I'm just rolling out the trimmings that will be used to make the decoration that'll be topping the tart.
With a pastry cutter, I'm cutting out stars. 7 of them, always an odd number. I don't think that looks quite right. I'll just move them around a bit. That's better. Brush the stars with milk and it's ready for the oven. Set the temperature to 180 degrees C. It's up to temperature. In goes the tart to bake for 25 minutes.
It's about halfway through baking and the kitchen is filled with this lovely smell. There's only one thing that smells better, and that's the barbecue on a hot summer's day.
Well, that's 25 minutes up, so let's get it out of the oven. Leave to cool for at least 10 minutes. I like it cold, so it was left overnight. And there it is, Marzipan and Mincemeat Tart.
It's homemade, rustic and very, very rich. What do you think? I do love to hear from my viewers, so all you have to do is click that button. Don't forget to activate and ding the bell, and drop me a line in the community box below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Now, here's the recipe recap. If you've enjoyed watching this video as much as I've enjoyed making it, then give us a thumbs up. Now, it's the part I've been looking forward to.
I'll just cut a small portion, as this tart is very, very rich. You could serve it warm with custard. For me, it's cold with a quenelle of creme fraiche.
Delicious. That's 2 flavours of Christmas all in one pie. That's all for this time. Join me next time on the Barbecue Walk of Flame. So from me, the old geezer who ain't at the grill, it's goodbye, thanks for watching, and a Merry Christmas to all of you.